What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King the Hussle Family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, alright? So listen, if any random King Hussle page start writing you on IG or any social media platform saying, yo, what's up, you wanna make some money, any crazy thing like that, that is not me, alright? Be aware. And before you send your money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're seeing this face right here, you doing business with this person right here, and you're sending your money to the right person, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today I'm dropping some gems, man. I'm gonna get into detail, man. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna give y'all some free sauce, some free gems. Anybody out there who mobile, who social media savvy, who wanna start making some money. All right. So basically, if you wanna start making $500 a day, I'm gonna show you where to go. And a lot of people, you can't be lazy. There's a lot of people out there that got their hand out. This is for the people who want to offer their services and doing easy services. There's a lot of easy services. It's a lot of outsourcing going on right now on social media. It's a lot of different ways that you could be creating you a business, all right? So today I'm going to be talking about a site called Fiverr. And Fiverr is a great place to outsource a lot of different things you can use for your business, all right? You can outsource people creating you YouTube channels. You can outsource people creating you monetized YouTube channels and putting certain kind of content on there. You can also provide the service, the same service they're giving to you, to other people. So what I mean by that is, okay, it's a lot of different people out in the world who need a lot of different things. There's a lot of different people out there who need different services, right? And the only way you're going to become a multimillionaire or a billionaire is by providing some type of service or product. Point blank, period. Any billionaire, any millionaire or billionaire that's out there in the world, they're offering some type of product or some type of service, from Microsoft to Apple to whatever you name it, Android, you name it, somebody's offering some type of product or some type of service, all right? And by you offering some type of product or some type of service means people are going to come to you all day, every day for your product or your service, as long as it is good and is cracked up to what you call it to be. Just like we all want Xboxes, we all want PlayStations, we all want iPhones, we all want certain games, we all want certain products, right? So that's how it works. So you can literally start making you free money on Fiverr. And how it works is, okay, say you want to offer your service to, it's people out there that wants who's looking to get into social media, who make TikTok reels and YouTube reels, or somebody looking to make a YouTube channel for this type of niche, or somebody looking to make a YouTube channel doing this. Well, instead of them doing it themselves, they'll literally come on Fiverr and you can post your service as you the one who's making the YouTube channel for them. So let's say you're gonna make a YouTube channel for somebody and you're gonna post 10 videos or whatever they want on there, and you're gonna do it for $500, right? Boom. Somebody can literally click on your ad, see what you got going on, and request that you do that. They do service with you, they do business with you, and you can create how many days it's going to take, what services you offer, all type of things like that. And it's free money, and you can literally, if you got a couple of dollars, I tell you guys this before, all the time. The way life works is the 3 P's: product, perception, and promotion. You find your product, you promote it, and you sell the perception that this is what the consumer wants and need, they're going to buy it. So let's say you need somebody to make motivational videos. You want somebody, it's a lot of people looking for certain different niches and things. So let's say you want to make motivational videos for somebody, right? So you say, hey, you pay me $200, I make 5 motivational videos for you for it's different levels and different packages. So let's say you want to make 10 for $200, you'll make 5 YouTube videos from 5 to 8 minutes long, and then for $500 you'll make 5 YouTube videos, motivational videos from 10 to 15 minutes long, thumbnail and all that good stuff. Like, you get different perks and stuff in different packages, right? So let's say somebody want to pay you $500 for 5 motivational videos, right? Boom. Okay, they just paid you $5. So what are you gonna do? How are you gonna make that motivational video? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna download Adobe Premiere, right? You're gonna download Adobe Premiere, create a cloud desktop, and I'm gonna go over all that stuff in a second. You're gonna download that so you can make your own videos. You can edit your own videos. You're gonna find stock videos, non-copyrighted videos of just people working all day, people pictures of people working, just copyright-free motion videos, right? Motivational clips. Then it's literally websites that you can go to download copyright-free motivational speaks and people talking, and that you can do a voiceover over the clips that you just made, right? So boom, you just did all that for free, right? So boom, you can go on Fiverr and pay $10 for a thumbnail, pay $35 for 5 thumbnails, right? So boom, you just got you 35. You just got you 5 thumbnails for each video that you made for $5 for $35. Boom. So now you got your videos made and you got your thumbnail and you just made $500. So you probably spent $35 to make $500 by offering your services on Fiverr. And a lot of people are asleep on Fiverr. A lot of people are not hip to Fiverr. Where I'm going to bring Fiverr to life. I'm going to show you guys where you can go to outsource and start you a business, any type of business, from people on there that's doing credit repairs, people on there doing mixtape covers, there's people on there creating all type of YouTube videos for people creating scripts for people, it's people on there creating animated videos, it's people doing design clothing line designs on there, brand designs, all type of things on there that can make your job easier. So anybody out there looking to make some free money, $500 a day, take this step right here. Fiverr. Go to Fiverr. First of all, go on YouTube and see what's all the popular videos, what's all the popular niches on YouTube, right? Once you figure out a niche that's popular and that you like, that you're intrigued with, that you can say, oh, I can make these videos all day, and I might even watch them myself because I like this type of stuff. Boom, that's your niche. You might be doing top 10 videos. You might be doing animal videos. You might be doing, it's so many different type of videos that you can be making without showing your face that can get subscribers and get views, right? So boom, once you find your niche, you're gonna go on Fiverr and you're gonna find people that can outsource certain things, and you're gonna get Adobe Cloud so you can start making those videos, right? So without further ado, let me show you what I'm talking about so you can have a good understanding and a clear view of what I'm talking about. You can start making you some money, all right? So let's get into it. All right, so Fiverr.com, all right, source top nav, all right, Fiverr. So basically, hello, H&E King Hussle. So basically, down here, you can see I outsourced motivational videos, I outsourced some thumbnails, I outsourced a lot of different things, right? So you can literally, I will design I will design an amazing YouTube logo and banner for you. So you got people who designing YouTube banners and stuff. Got me a banner. Let's say YouTube channel, right? So YouTube channel create, right? So these people will literally create your YouTube channel, right? So he created over 242 YouTube channels. I will create and set up YouTube channel. I will perfectly create, set up, marketing, and monetize your YouTube channel. I will create, set up, design, and optimize YouTube channel. Fiverr's choice. 609 people they dealt with. So we're gonna click on that and see what they got to offer. So they got different packages, right? So $30, $35, $45. Standard package, channel keywords, setup, subscribe, reminder, outro, intro video, right? So they do the basic stuff for you, right? So you got different people with different packages. So this person, I will create and set up your YouTube channel professionally, right? So we got different packages. His highest package is $200, basically after taxes, right? So he do it for $200. Let's find a whammy. So starting at, I will create and set up your new YouTube channel starting at $185, right? So their premium package is at $385. Basic package plus 5 uploaded videos. So for $385, she'll create you a video, a YouTube channel, and upload 5 videos for you, right? Easy peasy peanut butter cup. So how many people has she dealt with? 50. She dealt with 51 people. So let's do the math on that. So 51 people. 51 people. Oh man, y'all do, man. That's a lot of money. So 51 and 300 so basically $400. You can be the same person on here placing your ads, just making YouTube channels and videos for people and helping them out. So 660 people, like it's sweet. $350 all packaged. So basic package is channel setup and optimization, channel creation, SEO, keyword planning, SEO, channel description, 7 days. Standard, complete first package plus name optimization, brand creation, profile, image, and banner. So they do all that. Look, getting paid. Boom. All packages plus description template for all videos, 2 thumbnails created, keyword planner. Get y'all some money, free money, all right? Tap into Fiverr. Go start making easy money. Go start creating YouTube channels for people and YouTube channels with certain niches for it and get paid. There's so much that you can be getting paid for instead of sitting on the phone, scrolling up and down all day. You can literally be on Fiverr, YouTube, social media platforms, TikTok, creating things for certain people and getting paid for it because it's literally, you just got to do your research and find. I will create you and design your professional YouTube channel and SEO. Sports channel right here, boom. Just 150. Logo design, channel banner, outro, intro, end screen, animation, channel trailer, and channel SEO. How can you beat that? Come on, y'all. Go get some money. Let's talk about it. Fiverr. So let's talk about it. Fiverr. You can literally go on there, create you an account, and promote that you will make somebody a YouTube channel for 3 different packages. You could have a $150 package, a $250 package, and a $300 or $400 package. Each package adds more, and it's not like it's not hard to make a YouTube channel for somebody and develop certain niches and videos for people and help them out, because people will literally, it's a lot of people out there in the world that will pay you to do that for them for sure. It's a lot of people out there that's trying to outsource certain things to make their life easier. So if you can get 5 orders a day at $250, that's $1,000. You can get 5 orders a day at 500, that's 5,000. That's 200. That's $2,500 right there. You just made in a day. Promoting your brand, promoting your business, putting it out there, letting people know, like, hey, I create YouTube channels. You want a YouTube channel, tap into my Fiverr. And then a lot of people see how good you can literally have somebody create you a thumbnail for your Fiverr, all that for you, create your Fiverr for you. It's just, you gotta be smart. You gotta understand that knowledge is power. The more knowledge you got about things in the world, a lot of people probably never knew about Fiverr and knew you can make money off Fiverr just by creating certain things that you create all day, every day for free for yourself. So why not create it for other people and get paid? Easy as that. It's a million billion people out here that want to create YouTube channels all day, every day. It's a lot of people on Fiverr, so go get a piece of the pie. Go get you some ducats. Go get you some change. Go get you some money, and I guarantee you succeed. All right. So shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hustle supporters and new subscribers to the channel. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep y'all entertained. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping this sauce, and that's what I'm gonna continue to do. All right. So shout out to y'all. I'm still looking for rappers, actors, content creators, models, producers, cameraman, all that good stuff for the production company. Tap in. Music reviews is $200. Don't send me no music without sending me your $200 for a review. Ain't nothing free in life. Basic FaceTime one-on-one lessons is $500. Advanced FaceTime one-on-one lessons is $1,000, and unlimited gems FaceTime one-on-one lessons is $2,000. You want to book me right now in person for your in-person unlimited gems lessons? You come in state, it's gonna be $3,500, $500 deposit. If I gotta come out of state to you, it's gonna be $4,500, $500 deposit. All right. So before y'all DM me on my IG, please be aware that I will not respond to you if you're not talking any business. All right. So a lot of people like, I wrote you don't respond. I'm not, listen, this is business. I'm not responding to nobody that's not talking business. I post, I say all my prices on all over the place, from my community to my Telegram to my stories on IG to the end of my videos on every video that I got. I got over 650 videos. All right. So stop coming to my DMs asking for a handout. Stop coming to my DMs asking for help. Once you come to my DMs, be payment ready, have your money together, because that's the only way I'm going to help you is lessons. All right, this is business. Put the shoe on the other foot. If you were out here helping people and offering service to people and millions of people wrote you on a daily basis, trying to get something for free, trying to get their hand out, how would you feel? All right, so Take that into consideration before you write me. Once again, I will not respond to your DM if you're not trying to handle business. If you in my DM with an ask for a handout and my DM saying, oh, I'm trying to model, I'm trying to do this. No. You trying to model, you trying to do anything, send me your portfolio. Show me what you got going on. Show me something that you've been working on. And, that'll make it make more sense, right? So shout out to all the people that's ready to work, that's willing to work. Can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Let's win together, let's build together, and let's get these millions together. It's your boy, King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.